Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you the best free VPN for PC. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and search Chrome Web Store. The VPN I'm going to show you, you can download the app of the VPN or you can use the extension of the VPN on Chrome browser. So open Chrome Web Store. Now search here, Urban VPN. Now click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. The extension has been added. Click on Extension icon at the top right corner. Here's the Urban VPN. Click on it. So here's the extension. From here, you can select the location, and by clicking here, the VPN will be enabled. Now, if you want to download the application on your PC, go to Google, search Urban VPN. Now click on First Website. Now click on Windows icon at the top. Now click on Free Download. The setup will be download, then install the setup, and then open the VPN application. Here's the VPN application. From here you can select the location, and by clicking here, the VPN will be enabled. So, Urban VPN is the best free VPN for PC, even if you want to use it on Chrome as extension or the application. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.